Welcome to the Business Central Launch Edition related to 2025 release Wave 2. My name is Aleksandar Totovic, and together with my colleague Milica Đukić, we will present what is new in documents related to ZUGFeRD Format in Germany. Before we explain what ZUGFeRD Format is, I would like first to go a little bit deeper into what PDF A3 format is, because ZUGFeRD is based on PDF A3, and this is new format we enable, new functionality we enabled recently in Business Central. So PDF A3 is standard format for long-term archiving of electronic documents, and it allows embedding any file type into the PDF. So in ZUGFeRD we are doing this with XML, but you can embed any file format there. This is ideal for hybrid documents, to keep human-readable format as a PDF, so you can read as a human being, but in the same time this is machine-readable for specific electronic documents. This ensures self-contained files, so there is no external dependencies, and as you can see, this is widely used in invoicing, especially in Germany for ZUGFeRD. This is something what we use in France for Factor X and some other countries. So, what we will deliver in ZUGFeRD in the Business Central? We are covering both the processes, on sales side and purchase side. So, if you're working on the sales, ZUGFeRD functionality will use all standard German requirement rules. So everything what is related with X-Rechnung or PayPal, it will exist in ZUGFeRD functionality as well. So it enables creation outbound e-documents in ZUGFeRD format. So that means we will create PDF based on report layout with embedded XML inside and send through any channel you choose. So you can send through some of existing connectors or via email. On a purchase side, we enable receiving inbound e-documents in ZUGFeRD format. So once when you get it, system will automatically extract embedded XML and process and continue to create purchase documents. But on the other side, this PDF will be attached as a human-readable document in an e-document, so you can look both on PDFs to understand what is inside and at the same time proceed with a machine-readable format of XML and continue to process with documents. So main business values there are you will be completely compliant in Germany. So now with the ZUGFeRD we support all formats in Germany. And this is something what will improve interoperability and accuracy for all your documents. And it will be really good, so you can use any type of format in a system without any problem. So Milica, you can show us a demo.
Thank you, Aleksandar. Now I will continue and show you how to proceed with ZUGFeRD files in Business Central. We will start from exporting part of e-documents, and we will start from sales process. I will create, in the first company, I will create one sales invoice. I will choose one customer and add some item lines on the document. We can insert some quantity, some line discount. Then I will choose another one of the items and quantity. Now when we prepare our sales invoice, we can post it. And once our sales invoice is posted, we can go to related e-document and verify it. We can see that e-document is proceeded, and we have some logs. In logs, we can see that our ZUGFeRD file is exported, and we can check how it is look. When we open this PDF file, as my colleague Aleksandar mentioned, this is a PDF A type of the document, which includes printout of the invoice in PDF format, and also it includes attachment where we have ZUGFeRD X XML file. Now, as we finished with the sales part, we can go to another company and do the import of our e-document. I will go to e-documents and choose the new one. Here we choose ZUGFeRD format. I will import the same PDF file. And here we can see that we have created new e-document, which is currently in progress document status. We have attached a purchase invoice, the printout of it. And now, if we are okay with this creation of e-documents, we can reprocess document. Once we click on reprocess, our new purchase invoice is created. And we can verify if everything looks okay. Now I want just to remind you about the necessary setup that we need to prepare for e-document working with ZUGFeRD files. So here on e-document service for ZUGFeRD format, we need to enable buyer reference mandatory and also to choose a buyer reference from where we will take. We can take it from the customer card or from your reference on document. And that was all from my side. Now I will hand it over to Alexander.
Thank you, Milica, for this great presentation. And one thing I would like to remind you, it is important to know that now, especially in the German market, you can automatically send all e-documents via email. So once when you have created ZUGFeRD, if you choose post and send, system will automatically create an email and send it. It will be available for 27 versions, so that means from this 25 release wave 2. Okay, before we close this session, I would like to remind you, use all these links. You can find many important information there. Please do not forget to subscribe on our LinkedIn channel to track all news, what we are doing there on a weekly basis and announcements. And watch more videos on YouTube, so you can use AKMS BC YouTube to find not only videos from this edition, but for previous editions as well. Thank you for watching this session.